Hi, it's Susanna from Piggy Makes Bank, and I'm back with you with another tip about using PLR. And today we're going to talk about how to use PLR to create a quick bonus and why you would want to worry about that in the first place. So let's dig right in. Do you have a product right now that isn't selling as well as you thought it should? Or how about this? Maybe you have an older product that you're not sure how to market, or you really don't have a great reason to trot it out in front of your audience again. Maybe you have it running in the background, either some automatic emails going out, or you mention it every once in a blue moon, but it's not really selling. What if you could breathe some new life into it? Or what if you want to make your advertising dollars work better, or just improve your bottom line by improving your sales page conversion rate? So every visitor that you send to the sales page for your product, you have a higher chance of converting that person into a customer. All of those sound great, right? And a bonus can actually help you with all of those. If you have a special little offer that you can put on the sales page to give people another reason to buy, will help you with all of these. When it comes to an older product, a bonus is a quick reason, like a new bonus, something that wasn't on there before, is a great reason to really launch into another email campaign and tell them what you did and what the extra goodie, the extra thing is that's here. One piece of advice when you do that, I would suggest that you go ahead and give this bonus to anybody who has previously purchased the product as well, to be nice and to keep goodwill with your customers. And keep that goodwill in mind. We're going to talk about that again in a minute here. So let's talk about how to create that bonus. And I have some questions here, which is why I'm looking at my notes, that you might want to ask yourself as you're getting ready to come up with a bonus. And you can create it super quick with PLR content. So start with the main topic that your product is about, and then ask yourself one of these questions. What do my customers need to know before they consume this product, before they sign up for the course, before they sign up for the ebook? What could really help them make sure that they're ready to dive into the main content of the paid product? What's something else they need to know as they go through the product? Something adjacent, something related to it. So for example, if you have a course on content creation, your bonus could be how to craft an awesome call to action at the end of your content, that kind of thing. What are the next steps that they might need to do, or what else do they need to know to help them consume your product or finish your course? What is the one piece that is missing from the content in the course that not everybody knows? Maybe the majority of your people know about it, but maybe not everybody does. Again, the call to action bonus would be a great example here as well. And bonus tip, this also works great if you are promoting somebody else's course or info product as an affiliate, and you notice that there is just one little thing that's really missing that would take it over the top, or that would really help people consume it. You create that from PLR as a quick bonus and offer that to people who purchase through your affiliate link. Little bonus tip for you here. And you can also just keep it simple and think about what's one more quick tip or strategy that will help them get a step closer or get them to their goal, help them succeed, that kind of thing. So I hope that sparks some ideas for you already. If it does, go ahead and write them down and then get to work on that bonus report. Because when you're starting with PLR, when you're using PLR really as the main part, the main body of your bonus report, you can have this done in a day. You go find a great piece of PLR content, a pack, a 10 article pack, a report, a short ebook type of thing. You download it. You do your little formatting and prettying up magic, maybe give it a quick little tweak or edit, and you're done. You're ready to turn it into a PDF, upload it to your website, and you're ready to go. So as we wrap this video up, let's quickly run over 3 different ways to use this bonus. So the first is obvious. You create a bonus for a new product, you add it to the sales page to just make the whole offer seem even more valuable and more exciting, and hopefully get a better sales conversion. The second option is the one I already talked about. If you have an older product, consider creating a quick bonus or a quick new bonus, additional bonus, that just gives you a reason to reach out to your audience and promote this new product, or this older product, or to hopefully improve the conversion of the sales page on this older product as well. And then the last one is something we enjoy doing and have a lot of fun with, and that is to use the bonus as an unannounced surprise to your customers. So in this case, you would not mention anything about it on the sales page. Instead, you tell them on the download page, and be overt about it. Say, hey, surprise, I couldn't help myself. I created a little something extra for you that I thought you would enjoy and find out helpful. Here's what it is. Here's how you can download it and enjoy. So why would you want to do that? Because it builds a lot of goodwill. It helps your customers consume the product, so that alone will help lower any refund rates that you have. It also builds goodwill, so things happen to us all the time, like a download link breaks, or a link that goes out in an email isn't correct, or we don't have all the correct information in it. If you have built goodwill with your audience, they are happy to forgive you about those little mistakes, or just when technical stuff goes wrong. And they also will think of you first when somebody else asks them about a resource or who they should go to learn about X, Y, or Z. So that's why it's important to spend a little bit of time and energy to build that goodwill. And if you use PLR, it doesn't take a lot of your time, it doesn't take a lot of your money, but it buys you a whole lot of goodwill. So I hope you take all of this to heart. I hope this sparked some ideas, and most importantly, I hope this has inspired you to come up with a bonus of your own based on PLR content, and that you get it out there quickly. And speaking of quickly, that is something we'll be talking about in the next video. I hope you'll check it out. Until then, as always, I would appreciate a thumbs up and a comment, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel. That's it from me.